some of the scariest things I've ever seen. You know what I mean? It's Halloween. I have some great news for you. Nerderdie just dropped something called Spirit Board Stream Alerts. And I'm not gonna lie, this is one of the coolest alerts I've ever seen. And you can get it right now from my link in the description. Now, as soon as I saw it, I told them I would love for some of my viewers to get it for free. And they said yes. In fact, 10 of you are gonna be getting this for free if you stick to the end of the video. But I need to get mine right now, so let's check it out. So here we are, and this is the Spirit Board Stream Alerts. Let's check out the demo. Not the Luigi board. So you see this movement? It is not random. That's the cool part about this alert. Why is it so loud? It works with Streamelements and also Streamlabs. So no matter what you use, you're gonna be good to go. And it's gonna be customizable. You can change the colors. I forgot what the thing is called. That thing, it actually moves and reveals the name of whoever did the alert, right? If it's a follow, subscribe, whatever, it actually does it. So on the right side here, I'm guessing this is like the Streamlabs interface, but again, Streamelements, you're gonna have the same options. And the planchette in French. It's a French word. One-click install, so that's very important. And download now at nerderdie.com. Actually, just click on my link in the description because I'm an affiliate, okay, for full transparency, and give me some of that money. All right. So it says here, choose from 4 pre-made themes or customize the fonts, colors, and more with our custom options. One-click install link to import into Streamelements Streamlabs. We've also built in support for multiple languages, timing options, and even a mode to hide the board for when you want a more simple animation. So this is full of like little intricacies, if you will. Let's add to cart. Let's check out. You can't really see because I'm blocking it. So after checking out, I was able to download a zip file. I unzipped it, and then there it is. Basically Spirit Board alerts, and then there's start here, quick imports, video tutorial if you want to see it. I'm gonna link it in the description if you want to see like every single option that you have with it. If we click on start here, we're gonna have like support and then support links if you have any issues, their Discord and all of that. But we're actually gonna see how fast it is to import this stuff. Watch this. I'm gonna go to Streamelements. This is the main platform that I use, but I also use Streamlabs from time to time for specific things. And then here I'm gonna have the platforms. As you can see here, we have Facebook alerts, Twitch alerts, YouTube alerts. We're gonna double click on Twitch alerts. Yes, Windows, I do want to open this website file. Oh my God. Oh no, it could be a virus. And as you can see right here, there's Spirit Board Nerderdie. I'm gonna click edit, and we have one layer right there. If we click on settings, we can see all the different alerts. Let's click on the settings for the follow alerts, and let's test it. I'm gonna click on emulate here and click follow event. There it is. So since I'm gonna link you to a full tutorial, I'm not gonna go over everything, but basically I just want you to quickly see the options that are available. If we go to main options, we're gonna see the main themes that they talked about, the 4-1. So there's Bewitched Blue, there's Blood Red. Blood Red looks like this. Let's do a classic. That's the classic look. I'm gonna be cutting fast so we can just move on basically. This is the Wicked Purple. I kind of like this one. I'll probably put instead of green, I'm probably gonna put teal. And then if you don't like any of those, you can click on custom. And this is where you actually get to pick the color of the board, the 2 colors of the board, and the 2 colors of the planchette. So weird to say a French word with an American accent. The planchette. Now, if you really want a very simple alert, you don't want the whole board to show, you can turn that off. Right here, show board, yes or no. There you go. And basically this is just gonna be the alert that you're gonna get. And on top of the board, you see where it says yes or no. You can also decide to not show that part. You can go here where it says show yes, no, and put it on no. And that's you get a simpler version of the board, I guess. There's enable floaty words so that the words like float or not. There's planchette movement time, so how fast you want it to move. If you set it to 1, basically that's the total amount of seconds that the planchette is gonna move. So if you set it to 1, so in 1 second, it's gonna basically spell out the name. So it's gonna be super fast. And if you set it to 10, it's basically gonna take 10 seconds to actually spell out the name. So depending on how long you want it to be on screen, you can modify this. I actually like the 5-second, we're gonna keep it there. Alert scale, it's the overall scale if you want it to be bigger. And then here, since we set it to custom, this is the board options. Remember, our custom one was black and orange. So here we have the colors. Basically, we can set it up here. Can probably, let's do. This is a horrible color for a Ouija board, but I'm sorry, y'all. I need to stay on brand, man. I need to stay on brand. There we go. Horrible. Actually, it's not that bad. I think the dark purple sells it. I like it. And then under planchette option, I still can't say that word. Really, I hate it. We can also modify that. Give me that dark purple and that teal or cyan, if you will. Let's test it out. Yes. Oh my God. Actually, that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna change the text color. Okay, so that's for the board. Let me go up. I'm gonna collapse that. Boom. Those were the board options. Then we have planchette options. Of course, we went through that already. Alert info. And here you can change the font family. You can change the font weight. Name is basically the variable that you put if you want to display the name. If you don't want to display the name, or if you want the name to be the subtext, you can also set name under there, but this is fine. There's also text style. If for some reason you want to move the text and things like that, and you want to move the board and all of that, you can do all of that stuff. And while I'm at it, I need to change the color of the text. And then there's text shadow. If you want the text to have a shadow or not, we'll see if that works. There we are. D followed me. Yes, on brand. Oh yeah, you have the text skull color right there. So yeah, it's just that easy. I'm gonna go ahead and save by clicking on the big save button. I'm gonna click copy overlay URL. And let's say this is my just chatting scene and I wanna add the alert. I'm gonna click add source. I'm gonna go to a browser, call it Spirit Board Alerts, click OK. I'm gonna set it to 1000 by 1000. Then remember here, you wanna click on the link right there that says copy overlay URL. Boom. You wanna paste that link right there. Click OK. And I'm gonna test it from the website, see if it appears here. It does, but it's not centered. That's fine. I'm gonna double click. Let's make it bigger. Actually, let's make it full screen then. 1920 by 1080. And this should work. There you are. There you are. Now, if I want, I can crop in. Like, there's other ways of doing this, but I'm just gonna crop so that if I want to scale it, remember that if you want the board to be bigger, to have a high quality, you have those options. You don't have to scale anything in OBS technically. You don't have to even, oh, Jesus. I had an alarm on my phone. You don't have to even place it differently in OBS. You can do all of it directly from Streamelements. But I'm doing this right now because it's faster and I don't have time, okay? I'm trying to go fast. There it is. Oh, so pretty. So beautiful. Wait, where are my options though? Did I forget to save? Oh, there you go. All right, I just had to save. It works. It works. Susan followed me. Okay, now how about those 10 people that are gonna get it for free? First of all, you need to know that with the code SPOOKY15, you can get it for 15% off for a limited amount of time. So if you were gonna grab it, if you don't end up being part of the 10 people who are gonna get it for free, you should grab it now. And finally, to congratulate you for watching the whole video, the first 10 people who use the code GALE100 at checkout are gonna have it completely for free. GALE100 as in 100% free. So run, do it now. Huge shout out to Nerderdie for making such a cool alert. Also for giving me those codes. Again, check out my affiliate link in the description. I might have a little something more coming for Halloween, but in the meantime, thank you for watching. Go out there, make me proud, get a level, out.